Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, because a viewer requested it, the viewer was Kitten, requested kebabs. So Christian and I made kebabs together, and this is what came out. I'm super excited. So I'm definitely not gonna eat all these. I just did it for aesthetic purposes, but kebabs will not go to waste at my house. I promise you that. So today, I'm in a new room too, so I'm sorry if you hear echoes or anything, but we put our Christmas tree up, which was where I had my layout in the living room. Now I'm in my second bedroom, which is kind of empty, and I'm sorry if you hear Christian because it's closer to the room, and I'm sorry if you hear the dogs. Well, I'll go see. So today I'm going to be drinking some sparkling juice. Ooh, so good right now. Oh, that sound is so delicious. And I got my cup of ice in my gold straw. So let's see if I can give you guys the good stuff. Okay. Oh, it's so good. Oh, so good. Okay, now I'm going to do the thumbnail because I always forget. So, just give me a minute. Okay, so I don't really like the veggies, but you can't have kebabs without the veggies. So these are pork and chicken kebabs. Christian marinated them, and then we just put them together while I cut out all the meat and vegetables, and then we baked them and put some barbecue sauce during the process. Kebabs just remind me of the summer. I was an onion. Like I said, I usually don't eat them, but I'll eat them. I'll eat some of them. So you guys are gonna see this on a Friday, obviously, and Christmas is just a few days away. I will try to upload a video on Wednesday, but it's probably not gonna happen because my time is so chaotic right now. And as a true Puerto Rican, you cannot have a pincho without bread, because this is how they give it to you. Well, full. They give you this with some bread. Oh, here's Christian now getting the dogs because they're crying. That was pork. I'm sorry if you hear a lot of nose breathing, but I've been sick. And it's hard. Oh, so good. So Kitten, thank you for requesting this. I know it was a couple videos back, but I was getting around to it. The barbecue sauce is kind of spicy. I was gonna put pineapples, but I need that for another video. My barbecue is spicy. I wonder if I bought the wrong version. I usually get Sweet Baby Ray's, which I know that's the brand. But I remember one time I got hot and spicy. It was good, but it was super hot. I was starving. Oh my gosh, I was so starving, guys. So how was everyone's day? How was everyone's Christmas and Christmas shopping going? Too loud. Mine was okay. Got a lot to do still. Need some more cider. Or sparkling juice, sorry. So good. I promise you. Oh, let me give you an update on my crazy life, because on today's episode of Zenia's Life, so the reason why I'm so behind on Christmas and all that is it's been a very eventful 2 weeks. So not this Friday, the Friday you're seeing this, but the Friday before that, we had some crazy events of Christian lost his job, got laid off, which was, we weren't really upset about it. It was more like a relief, I guess, because as you guys know, he's been working like crazy, and it's been night shifts, 12-hour night shifts to be exact. And that takes a toll on your body. And he was doing that for almost 3 years. And it was stressful because we were, you know, it's the holiday season. Bills, etc. So, we're not people to sit around. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but he worked really hard, and he found a job. He lost his job on Friday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, he literally was looking for a job, and then Thursday he found a job, and he went to orientation that Friday and started the beginning of this week. And he is now a journeyman roofer. journeyman roofer. Sorry, sometimes I don't say my sentences crisply. But it's a blessing in disguise because now he has Monday through Friday hours instead of like a weird schedule like he had before. 8-hour shifts, and it's in the morning. And he's home before me. So that was crazy, but like we said, it was a blessing in disguise. But the Lord blessed us. But it sucks because, you know, roofers work outside and it's cold. And today it felt like -2. We didn't get to work today, but I just want to let you know, if anybody out there is going through some hard times, just work on through it. Sometimes it's a blessing in disguise. Stay positive, because that's what we did. And positive things will come your way. And don't just go looking for any job. I mean, unless you, like, it's like, you have to, but always have a set of goals. Like, he didn't want to work overnight, so that was like, no. He didn't want to work 12-hour shifts anymore. No. He didn't really care about the weekends, but that was a plus. And he wanted to make more than he was making. Or the same. He didn't want to go down. So, know your worth. And good luck. So that's what really happened. That's really big news that happened. Yeah. Snowstorms are crazy here. On and off. Freezing all of a sudden. As I just said. But we're used to it. We're used to it. So, it's the craziest thing. What's the craziest thing that happened to you this week? Yeah. A lot of political things have happened, but I don't like talking about that. Excuse me. There you go. Excuse me. These remind me of summer so much. Like, grilling. God, this is spicy all of a sudden. I think I'm about the wrong bottle, guys. That's what happens when you're in a rush.
Are they being too loud?
I mean, I can hear you guys talking to them. I can hear you saying no. You want to come say hi?
Not really.
Not really? Tired? You want some? It's spicy.
You drinking that whole sparkling water by yourself?
Sparkling water?
Or whatever?
Juice? I didn't intend to, but it's spicy. I think the barbecue sauce is spicy. I'm actually full. I had 3 full, and this is going to be my 4th one. That's a lot of meat. And bread. Sorry, guys. Christian didn't want to say hello today. He's tired, and he looks kind of rough. He just flicked me off. I love you. I was just telling them about your little struggles, but you turned it around and you had your goals. You didn't want to work mornings. You didn't want to work 12-hour shifts. Working no weekends is a bonus. I mean, he works some weekends if he has to, but it's very rare. But he's actually really sore.
Struggles into a blessing.
Yep, struggles into a blessing. But he's actually super sore, guys, because, you know, roofers, like, in the wintertime, he's shoveling, like, rocks, and they're all icy, and they get heavier, and it's cold on your bones, and he comes out, and he's like, my body hurts so much. He looks rough, too, because he's, like, been sweating, so when he takes off all this stuff, his hair is, like, down and up, and it's just hilarious. But I'm full, guys. I'm sorry for the short video, but I'm stuffed. That was a lot of meat. You really don't think that kebabs fill you up, but they do. It's literally just meat and veggies, and I've been eating it with bread, and this sparkling just fills you up. And I still eat. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and Kitten, thank you again for the wonderful request. I actually like this request, so if any of you guys have any more requests out there, I'll try to get to them. I'll try to make them work to the best of my ability. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ZeniasCravings. And I do have an ASMR channel. I'm working on getting some videos out on there. But as you can see, this picks up everything in my puppies, so I'm gonna have to do it when they're asleep or on my house. But I do have some videos that I'm trying to record for it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hold on. We get to set them off. Sorry, that was rude. Okay, sorry. Let's start that over. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you when all my videos come up or when I upload a new video. And if I don't have a video up for Wednesday, I'll see you guys next Friday. God bless and be safe and have a wonderful holiday. And I hope you guys get all the wishes that you requested and have a lot of family time together, or however you like to spend it. Don't forget about your furry friends. They're also family too. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!